Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Nissan Maxima's Bluetooth system. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Next, on your Maxima's display, access the main settings menu. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful connection process, ensuring you are ready for the next steps. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option. You will then see a choice to add new device or connect device. Select this to initiate the pairing. Your Maxima will then display a unique 6-digit pairing code. Simultaneously, your phone should show the same code. Confirm that these numbers match on both screens to proceed, ensuring a secure and accurate connection between your device and the car. After confirming the pairing code, your phone's name should appear on the Maxima's display. Select it to establish the connection. Your phone might then ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Please allow this for full functionality. Finally, test the connection by playing some audio or making a quick hands-free call. This confirms your device is successfully linked and ready for use. Should you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and the Maxima's infotainment system often resolves the issue. Also, verify that no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your car, as this can sometimes prevent new pairings. For any unique model variations or persistent problems, always refer to your Nissan Maxima's owner's manual for detailed, specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.